Afterlife on Greenwood, headed out to the community center to hang out with the seniors and do a class called Zumba Tone. It used to be called Strengthen and Tone, but now we have a new instructor and she calls it Zumba Tone because she's doing Zumba and she's using the weights. I don't know. I like the old class. Oops. Let's drop my phone. I like the old class better because it was really Strengthen and Tone. It was just all about weights. Now it's Zumba and some Zumba sticks. I'll tell you guys about it later, but anyway, I'm going to run over there, see if I can break a sweat, do a little strengthening, and then I'll take you with me if I go anywhere. I do have some things planned today, so I'll take you with me if I go anywhere. Oh yeah, just finished Zumba Tone and sweating like a mug. I brought a towel so that I could wipe the sweat. But great class, great class. As I said, a bunch of seniors in the class. You can probably hear them in the background. I don't want to put anybody on, but good class, good class, good class. Okay, guys, let me get out of here and get something to eat because all I had in the morning was a protein drink. So yeah, I'm hungry now. Okay, let me get out of here. Bye, guys. So I decided to come home from the gym and not hit Dunkin' Donuts and just eat something at the house. So I'm having some grilled chicken in a pocket. It's a little pocket I'm using. These are the pockets that I've been giving my my great nieces for lunch. One of them likes pockets. This is an onion, some kind of onion pocket, and I have some grilled chicken in there. So just a small sandwich that I'm having for breakfast / lunch, and I'm just going to enjoy that. Well, I have been enjoying it. So anyway, guys, so that's that. I have a guy that's supposed to be coming over and moving junk out of the garage, and it's mostly hubby stuff. I was hoping that I could do it when hubby was at work, but unfortunately that's not going to work out. So I was going to try to sneak the stuff out of the house or out of the garage, but because I know if we try to move the stuff while he's here, he'll probably try to pick through it, and it's junk. It's junk, guys. It's junk. So okay, anyway, so that's supposed to happen today, but I'll let you know if that goes down or what. So waiting for the guy to come out and clean out the side of the garage. So hubby's putting some air in my tires there. That's what the noise is. That's what that noise is there. And meanwhile, I'm waiting for the guy to come in, clean out the garage, or just one side of the garage. And then I'm going to, while I was doing that, I put some stuff in my car to take to Goodwill. I mean, there's a lot of stuff I'm not using, like a lot of that country stuff that I was using. There was a lot of stuff that I had painted with chalk paint stuff that I'm not using anymore. A lot of that decor. So I am taking it to taking some pieces to Goodwill, and I already put it in the car. Guys are here clearing out the garage, and there's like so much stuff in there that that needs to be gone. And so these are the guys who are clearing out. And it's not the entire garage. It's just like one half of the garage is just, we haven't seen the side of it in forever, so I need to clear it out without hubby being there. Otherwise it's just not going to get done. So they're in there now trying to do their thing.
You want this wood going?
All the wood just goes. Whatever, we'll figure it out. Can you take those metal chairs?
Pardon me?
Can you take those metal chairs, the
Sure.
fold up? Because we don't want those. They came from a garage sale too. So guys, this is I can now walk through here. First time ever. You can see there's been like mouse activity, chewing up like whatever, like grass seed and stuff. So I'm gonna sweep this clean, and you know, we're getting this garage together.
My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
So I cleared. This is coming across. I was able to clear all of this. This is now all clean. I think I may use the power washer to like really get over in that window. But the main thing was like to just get this part clear. Because this is stuff that we haven't moved in years. And I think it's gonna be okay. So still some stuff here, like we kept this cradle that used to be Big Girl's cradle when she was a baby, so I think hubby wants to keep that, but there's still a lot to clean up. Guys, I'm waiting for the girls at the school, waiting for the girls to get out, and it's been a busy day. Up early, had my protein drink, went to the gym for some Zumba tone, cleared out a whole bunch of stuff in my closet to take to Goodwill, and I loaded that up, helped the guys clear out that side of the garage, and then swept it down. I still want to go back and do a little bit more cleaning up on that side, and then I need a shower because I haven't showered since I knew I was going to be working today around the house. So pick up the girls and get them to the house, and then I need a shower. So thank you guys. If you're new here, by all means hit the subscribe button and join the fam at Life on Greenwood, and check out my blog at lifeongreenwood.com for things that don't usually go on my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.